Hey everyone, welcome back to The Ideal Investor, your go-to place for all things real estate. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investment. Whether you're dreaming of passive income from rental properties, flipping houses for big profits, or exploring REITs, we've got all the tips and tricks you need. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about rental properties. Owning rental properties can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. But before you jump in, there are a few things you should know. Location, location, location. The first rule of real estate is also the most crucial for rentals. A great location can mean higher rent and lower vacancy rates. Look for areas with good schools, low crime rates, and growing job markets. Cut to footage of various neighborhoods, highlighting schools, parks, and businesses. 1. Understanding costs. It's not just about the mortgage. You'll need to account for property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and potentially property management fees. Make sure your rental income will cover these costs and still leave you with a profit. 2. Screening tenants. Good tenants can make or break your investment. Take the time to do thorough background checks and credit checks. It might take longer to find a tenant, but it's worth it in the long run. Next, let's dive into house flipping. Flipping can be incredibly lucrative, but it's not as easy as those TV shows make it seem. 1. Finding the right property. Look for homes that are undervalued and need cosmetic updates rather than major structural repairs. This is where you can add the most value with the least cost. 2. Budget. Wisely. Create a detailed budget for renovations and stick to it. Always include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Trust me, there will be surprises. 3. Timing is everything. The longer you hold on to the property, the more it costs you in interest, taxes, and utilities. Work quickly, but don't cut corners. Quality work will get you better offers. Now let's talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. If you want to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties, REITs might be for you. What are REITs? REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They're traded on major stock exchanges, so investing in them is as easy as buying stocks. Cut to footage of a busy stock exchange floor. 2. Types of REITs. There are various types of REITs. Equity REITs, which own and manage properties, mortgage REITs, which provide financing, and hybrid REITs, which do both. Choose one that aligns with your investment goals. 3. Benefits. REITs offer high liquidity, regular dividends, and diversification. They're a great way to get exposure to the real estate market without needing a large amount of capital up front. So there you have it. Rental properties, house flipping, and REITs are all fantastic ways to invest in real estate. Each has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to do your homework and choose what's right for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more real estate insights. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.